Hi, welcome to the first video in Model 4. In this video, we are going to start the introduction topic of packages. We know the meaning of packages in Java. That is one of the best and fantastic feature provided in Java language. In this video, let us going to discuss about the meaning and definition of packages and how we can create our own package, how we can set the package for our Java classes. So these two important topics we are going to discuss in today's video. Let us go to the topic. The model 4 has consist of two important portions. The first portion is about packages and interfaces. In this, introduction of packages and how access protection is given for the packages concepts and how we can import the packages and interfaces. So these are all the topics we are going to see about the first portion of the model 4. The second portion of the model 4 consists of the topic called multi-threaded programming. In that, what are the meaning of threads and what are the existing threads available in Java, how we can create one thread and how we can implement runnable interfaces, and what are the synchronization point behind the multi-threading concepts, and I'll going to discuss in the second portion of model 4. Fine. Coming on to packages, the package is defined as a grouping of related types. What are the related types means? It is a grouping of classes, interfaces and methods. Okay. Classes, interfaces and methods are the combined, those are put into one name called as package. So a Java package is also a group of similar types of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. If you want to process about the input and output processing, java.io is the one of the big and famous package where it consists of all input related and output related classes and its interfaces. Whereas data input stream is one of the class available in IO. Then input stream reader, buffer reader, output stream reader, output buffer reader, print writer, print reader. Like that, many of related classes are available in IO package. Likewise, if you take AWT package as a Java one, example one means AWT is nothing but abstract window toolkit, where it consists of many similar classes which are required for abstract window toolkits. Like it consists of frame, it consists of panels, it consists of text field, it consists of scroll panels. So many of the window toolkits classes are available in AWT package. Likewise, most of the similar classes are put into one unit. That unit is called as a package here. Okay. Apart from that, what are the meaning of package means? Package in Java is nothing but a folder in directory structure. Java packages are stored in hierarchical manner. Yes. So it will be stored in hierarchical manner where the first layer consists of its superclass, then subclasses. After that, another one subclass is there, means that subclass. After that, only any interfaces are available, means that interfaces will be defined. Right. Java packages are classified, or it is coming in the two forms. One is built-in packages, another one is user-defined packages. Built-in packages are nothing but already available, defined and executed in Java directory. So for example, language package is a built-in package, AW2, Java X, Swing, Net, IO, utilities, SQL are some of the examples of built-in packages. Then, what are the advantages of using Java package? Means it addresses many of the advantages. Like majorly, it is used to categorize the classes and interfaces so that it can be easily maintained. Thereby, it is stored in hierarchical manner. We can easily identify its structure. Which one is the superclass? Under which one is the subclass? In the subclass, what are the methods are available? Likewise, we can completely know about the path of your classes which is defined in a package. And then Java packages provide access protection. It provides access protection because it only when the class is defined itself, it is specifying whether the class is public class, private class, or protected class, and thereby it provides which is the subclass and which one is the superclass. So it completely provides the access protection and it removes the naming collision. Another one important advantage of Java package is it reduces the naming collision because some of the similar classes may come with the same name, but that is not available and that is not allowed in Java. So we have to go with a different name. Thereby it removes the naming collisions. So what is the keyword is used for creating a package means the package. Package is a one keyword which is used to create a package in Java. Let us see the simple example of how one package is created. It starts with the keyword package. My pack is the new user defined package. Inside it, one class is written along with its main method. Here the one simple conveying messages like welcome to package. Like that it is written. Right. How now we have created and executed that package. How we can access the package from another package. So there are three ways to access a package from outside. What are those means? First, by using import package dot star. That means that inside that package, what are the classes, what are the methods defined, which will be automatically imported. Moreover, another one format is there. If I want to specifically want to import that particular class in my package, mean I can specify like that import package dot class name. Here, according to this example, import mypack.simple is my importing statement. And finally, fully qualified name like import package dot class name dot another one class name dot then print the method name. Like that also I can use it. How we can define a package? It is using the keyword package. It is very easy to define a package. Any classes declared within the file will belong to a specified package. While the default package is fine for short sample programs, it is inadequate for the real application. Okay, here according to this example, pkg is the name of the package. It starts with a package of pkg. Here in this my package is the another one package it is coming. What is the point to be noted here means the case is very important. So that in which directory the package is stored means that corresponding package and its directory should be matched and its name also should be matched to each other. So that is the one point should be noted here. And here is a general form of defining the packages in another way. Package, package1 dot, package2 dot, package3. So it shows the complete hierarchy of that file system. So say for example, one package is there. That means image package, that image class. So it is stored in the directory of first it's stored in the Java directory. Inside it AWT directory will be there. After that image directory will be there. Likewise, it is stored. So like that it shows the complete path of the file system. Finding the packages and class path. Mainly it addresses the three parts. One is first Java runtime system will be using the current working directory as a starting point. This JRS, no, it will use the first current working system. Second is it uses the class path environment variable. And third one is the options what we are giving for the class path should be mentioned. Java C-O or Java C-D, like that it should be mentioned. And then the class path, for example, for this class path, if you have installed your Java program in the C colon means C colon / my programs dot / Java is the path for this. Here is one example, short package example here. It starts with a keyword package. My pack is the package name. Inside one balance is a one class. It has some balance constructor and its show method. If the balance is less than 0, we cannot show anything, or else we can show some balances. Then account balance is another class defined in this package mypack. It uses the main method. Here using the balance constructor with the value of 3, then KJ fielding some values, it is being constructed. Then again one more will tell 157.02 value, another one object is created. Likewise 3 objects are created in a array way. From starting from current 0 to current 1 and current 2, it is being now shown using the show method. Okay, I hope so this video is useful for you for understanding the basics of package. I will catch you in the next video about next topic. Thank you.